We know there is a path where we haven't been, but not where we cannot go. We believe an idea makes an innovation and challenge makes a new path. A sense of mission to create value that is not in the world. Now, Robotplus opens a new era of the robotics industry. Every change in the world begins with someone's challenge. We have enabled innovation by bringing value to our products beyond the simple concept of a machine based on the special value as respect, ethics, challenge, execution, and customers. Knowing that our customer trust is the greatest growth driving force, our technology and quality always point to customers. We have endeavored to provide total solutions by faithfully fulfilling the business processes leading from the preliminary review level to design, production, and pre-commissioning. As a result, our technology has been trusted by countless companies, and each of these trusts is our pride and a driving force for the global market. The driving force that has made people, space, and industry become closer and more developed. Railway, aviation industry. Our products enable the production of complex assemblies, shorten production time, improving productivity, and securing quality competitiveness, thus contributing to securing the competitiveness of enterprises. In addition, the results of a variety of technology integrations such as shipbuilding and offshore plant industries. We are contributing to productivity improvement by providing various solutions according to customers' requirements such as laser application system, painting, welding, and cutting system. The automobile industry indispensable in people's lives and rapidly developing industries. Our products manufactured considering customers' requirements, specifications, and characteristics are used in various automobile part production sites and processes such as processing, press, assembly, painting, and post-processing. In addition, the food and beverage industry, which is closely related to people's lives. We are doing our best to build an efficient system by thinking about contributing to productivity improvement of customers. Robot Plasma Cutting Machine is a system that enables real-time cutting and processing of steel sections through the robot programming of cutting shapes of various steel sections by using 2D CAD program, which is widely used. It is a product that can secure the competitiveness of manufacturers with shipbuilding equipment and plant by improvement of the working environment, shortening process, balanced supply-demand of manpower, and reducing risk factors such as industrial accidents caused by manual work. Beyond the field of industrial automation systems, we have always been concerned about the easy accessibility in everyday life of people. The Barista Robot System, a compact system that is not restricted to any place or form, provides coffee using robots, tablet PCs, and applications. The Smart Factory is being transformed into a production environment essential for the fourth industry in order to enhance manufacturing competitiveness, such as productivity improvement and cost reduction of a manufacturer by integrating smart technology into the machine. In the past, when an abnormality was detected in the main equipment of the factory, it took a lot of time to find out the cause of the defect and the defect measures. Failure to find the cause of these malfunctions quickly caused delays in delivery due to discontinued production and reduced customer confidence. Smart solution of Robotplus makes it the perfect smart factory that enables production management, quality control, energy management, and optimal management of facilities for customers. The company that shares even a small one thing. Robotplus, also well aware of the happy members, make a happy company. We will continue to pave the way for a better future by providing a system that enables companion for a better future and people and robots to coexist and collaborate.